Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your email notifications in Asana. To do that, click your account on the upper right and click on settings. Then go to the notifications tab and scroll down towards the bottom and you'll find email notification. Once you expand that, you will see all the necessary email notifications that you can get. Ones that you don't want, you can easily uncheck those boxes and you will not get those notifications. As well, you will be able to see the current email address that your notifications will go to. That's gonna, in my case, it's going to the one associated with the account. And you can always go ahead and add another email address if you want. If you click on that, you'll be able to add another email address, right? And that's pretty much how you can do it. Another section that you can add email address is to go to the accounts tab directly. And if you scroll down, you will find a section called manage email, and you can add the email right here as well. Then once that email is successfully added, you can go back to notifications. And of course, under this section where it shows the emails, you can switch between the emails that you have on the account to send notifications. But that's it, guys.